Today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to draw an angry bird. So let's get started. So first, I'm gonna show you how to draw this little guy. I just draw it like right now. Okay, so then I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna show you pattern. Okay, so you wanna draw an angry bird. You need to do like a circle, like a little circle, or depends how you do it. So I don't really think so this came out how it came out. I don't really think so. It's coming out. Let me see. I think I need to put that other one more like little. Okay, so this is how it came out. Okay, so now the eyebrushes. Now I'm doing the eyes. Now we do like a little circle right here. Now this is how it's gonna come out like. But it needs to be like little bit more like yeah. Okay, so now I'm doing the beak. This is how you need to do the beak. It's gonna come out like this. Then you do like little circles. I'll show you guys how to do them. You put one here and one here. You do the same with the other. And this is how you need to do it. Now we're gonna do the eye. Okay. Okay, eyes. And now we're done. This is how it came out like. And please subscribe to this video. I try really hard doing this drawing. Bye. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe. Even to my cousin's channel. That's my sister. Yeah. Okay. And subscribe to my cousin's channel. That is Rodrigo Pañuelos. He will give you a phone if you subscribe. I think he already gave it. I don't really think so. So bye.